This is homework 2 of PL6303, question 5. Part A, where we need to find the value of E such that f of x is a density function. So in order to prove this, we need to prove that integration of f of x from minus infinity to infinity is equal to 1. So when we come to this, when we substitute the value of f of x as ax square, where it is from, this can be written as x from my x greater than minus 1 to x less than 1. So which basically means that you can integrate from minus 1 to 1. So when we integrate it, minus 1 to 1, ax square dx is equal to 1. There is an integration for property where if it is from minus 1 to 1, we can write it as 2 times 0 to 1 ax square dx equal to 1. 2 by 3 ax cubed by 3 0 to 1 is equal to 1, or a is equal to 3 by 2. Now we come to the second question, where m is some value where x is in between the minus 0.5 to minus 1 and 0.5 to 1. We need to find and draw f of x conditional probability with m. For this we need to first find p of m, and we know that m is an event which is in between minus 1, where x falls in between minus 1 and minus 0.5 and 0.5 and 1. So what we can do is basically substitute the value of the small f of x in such a way that we can find p of m. So p of m is basically minus 1 to minus 0.5, 3 by 2 x square dx plus 0.5 to 1, 3 by 2 x square dx. This is basically 2 times 0.5 to 1, 3 by 2 x square dx, for which we get the value of 7 by 8. X cube, this will become x cube by 3, 3 will get cancelled. X cube is basically so we'll integrate it, x cube will be integrated from 1 to 0.5 to 1, for which we get the value of 7 by 8. So now we need to find f of x conditional probability with m. Now in the book there is a formula for this which says that it's f of x by f of caps m, p of m, probability of m, probability of m. Now what happens here is we substitute the value of f of x, which is basically 3 by 2 x square by p of m, which is 7 by 8. So 3 by 2 x square into 8 by 7